Hey guys, it's me Haspa with WTI, and if you are a gym rat, this is a must-have. This is the REEHUT barbell pad from REEHUT camping store, and I'm obsessed with the fact that I've been able to do hip thrusts at the gym with this pad. My gym doesn't have any pad for the bars, so I was always feeling really uncomfortable, and that's why I decided to get a pad that could just stay in place and make me feel comfortable while doing squats or hip thrusts. This one has the perfect size of a standard bar. It actually creates a cushion for your neck, hips, or shoulders, so you can use it for any exercise that requires some pad, some cushion. It's really lightweight, it can fit anywhere. It also comes with these straps which are adjustable, and they will make the pad stay in place at all times. So if you guys don't want to hurt your hips or your shoulders, back while at the gym, I would definitely recommend you buy this one. It saved my life. It's made me more confident and comfortable at the gym, and that's just my point of view.